this person never really appreciates you and they never really made you a priority. So somebody who never made you a priority is thinking a lot about you. So you are constantly on somebody's mind and this person is going in circles as to how can they reach to you. All right. So right off the bat, I see that. I also see that a lot is happening in your life these days. You're basically trying to balance your life. So you might be busy in work, you might be learning a new skill, you might be investing in business, or you have a project in your workspace. Like you have a lot on your plate and now you're trying to multitask. So these days you might find yourself very, very busy multitasking. All right. Okay, what about this person that Capricorn is dealing? Ace of Swords and the Queen of Cups. Yeah, I see somebody has feelings for you, they have emotions for you, and they want to confess. Somebody is very adamant to confess their feelings to you. They are rushing in to communicate with you because they feel that if they will not do it, you might leave. With the Judgment card again, it shows something coming back to life. So I see somebody who you might not be expecting is going to show up in your life very soon, and this person is going to be very straightforward as well. Like this person is not going to go in, like they will not try to play games with you this time. They have played games in the past, but this time they're going to be very straightforward and they will be telling you very straight up that they want to have a reconciliation. This could be air sign, water sign, there's earth here as well. Sun card. You guys are very busy making your life happy. You guys are working on something and I see some sort of recognition coming in. So if you are hoping for a hike or a promotion or something, I see that your boss or your higher ups are going to notice you. Some of you might also be investing money somewhere. It's going to give you good returns. So keep a check on your stocks or your cryptos. Okay, I don't know, it's a very random message, but Sun card can show that. Yeah, so what is Capricorn's feelings right now? Three of Pentacles. Somebody just wants to work things out with you, Capricorn, but you are very busy these days. I see that you might have not anticipated this person coming back and resolving things with you. So that is why you basically made yourself very, very busy in your life, because you did not wanted to think about this person. You did not wanted to, go back and have those kind of flashbacks. So that is why you were just working a lot on yourself, on your goals. But then here is somebody who's seeking for a new beginning with you and they're very determined. So that's something that keeps speaking, that somebody here is very determined to be back in your life. Ten of Pentacles. Some of you might be you're just spending a lot of time with people these days. I don't know how are you doing that in Corona situation, but I think, and with the unlock, I also saw a very heartwarming video yesterday, I think on Instagram, that the reunions that are happening after the Corona times, like people are going back to see their family, etc. So some of you might be returning back home to see your family. Or in general, I see that you're doing some self-pampering sessions, something, you're trying to focus on yourself, you're trying to focus on your family, you're trying to provide for your family, or you're just spending time with family, or you want to spend time with family. I don't know. Something about family, friends, etc. is very prominent. So yeah, you might be spending time or you're planning to spend time. It's going to go really well. And if you are not doing it, then the message is to do it. It's going to give you a lot of happiness. I see that you're making yourself your priority. Like maybe whatever happened after that, you have realized that until unless you make yourself a priority, nobody else will. Like this person here was not making you a priority and you kept maybe requesting them, you kept waiting for them, and then you realize that I am not making myself a priority for my own self. How can I expect other people to do it? So now you're just putting yourself first, right? You're focusing on your healing, you're focusing on your own self. Okay, what else? So things are becoming really better for you, very beautiful for you. See again, the Devil and the Knight of Cups. You are leaving behind toxicity and you're heading towards a very beautiful connection. Some of you, I also feel that there was a person who was not giving you commitment because they were stuck in something. So maybe this person was committed somewhere or they had a toxic past. with the devil card. So something was very toxic about this person or their situation. This person was very obsessed with you as well, or they were just like behaving like a narcissist. But now things are becoming better. I see a lot of love coming towards you. I see somebody wants to change because they want to come into your life. So somebody is changing themselves. They're changing their attitude. Like you had a very toxic connection in the past, but now things are turning. I also see someone who is married maybe, or you wanted to get married to them, or they were married to someone else but they want to be in your life. I don't know. Marriage. Yeah, Seven of Swords. This person might have hidden the fact that they were married or they were committed somewhere. Or maybe you wanted marriage and they never gave it to you. Like they were just playing hide and seek with you. Somebody was very non-committal and very non-available in the past is what I see. Like because of that you felt really trapped into the situation because this person was not giving you clarity. And I see that now you're getting the clarity. When you least expected. That's the beauty. Yeah, see, you are not focused on this person. Some of you, you're not even waiting for a clarity from this person. You have been focusing on yourself. You're hardworking these days. What are you hardworking on? Something that you're working on is going to give you very good results. And you know, Capricorns are hard workers because it's ruled by Saturn. It's the 10th house in astrology. I see that you're working really, really hard on something and you're basically releasing as well things, you know, like whatever is not serving you, you are releasing, you're detaching. You know, these days you're working on goals and ambitions and you're detaching yourself from the outcome. And that is something that we even teach in manifestation. If you don't know, I'm a manifestation coach. So, you know, that is something that we teach, that always intend on your goal and then release your expectations from the outcome. Like do not sit and wait as to when will that happen, how will that happen. Your job is to only intend and not wait. All right, so right now I see that you're detaching yourself from the outcome. You're just putting your best foot forward and you're least bothered about what will be the outcome, and that's when universe is going to give it to you. So yeah, when you least expect it, I see somebody wants to step in back into your life because you have let go of this person. Chariot and the Ten of Swords. Wow, such a beautiful energy. See, whatever was not served, and see the Hanged Man as well. Like this is a whole freaking story in itself. Whoever or whatever was not serving you, you are leaving it behind. You're like, I don't have time for you. I have big goals in life. I have to work on myself. I have to prioritize myself. I have to put myself first. And that is rewarding you. The Emperor and the Seven of Pentacles. You will see happiness all around. You will see money rolling in. What other blessings are coming for Capricorn? You will be able to overcome this heartbreak. See, the Ten of Cups. I was sensing that. This heartbreak, this pain, this disappointment, everything is going to go off. I see things are moving a little slow for you. Maybe you might expect them to move really fast. But the good thing is better late than sorry, right? So I see things are slowly over the time changing for you. You might not be seeing it entirely right now, but universe is planning you for this, preparing you for this Ten of Cups. I see that you are waiting. Sorry, you are not waiting. You are moving on, but there is someone who's taking baby steps towards you. I see somebody is very slowly and steadily, they want to come towards you. Like they want to come in really quick, but they're taking precautions and then they're, you know, slowly and steadily they are coming in because they know that they left you out in the cold when you wanted them the most. Or for some of you, maybe this person has some kind of difficult past because of which they could not come towards you in the beginning. Whatever resonates, Moon card. So yeah, I see these days your intuition is also on top. Like you have become very intuitive. And you know, you have also become very creative. You might be doing something creative in your life. You might be drawing, painting, or you are just a healer, or you're developing those skills. I don't know. You are basically moving on in your life towards good things. You're coming out of confusion. Whatever confusion was there with the Moon card, everything is going to get clear with the Ten of Cups. And all of this is happening because you prioritized yourself. You focused on your healing. You kept yourself first. And just when I said that, I saw 11:11 on the timing of the video. So yeah, I was correct there. Universe says yes. Wow, Eight of Pentacles. See? You are letting go, you're working on yourself, it's rewarding you. Somebody wants to work out the situation with you. I see somebody just wants to do the hard work now. Like in the past, they never did the hard work. They expected everything out of you. Now this person is determined to put in the work because they want to be in your life. And for those of you who are very focused on money, you are going to get more than your expectation because you've been working hard. Right now, you might not see it because things are progressing a little slow, but universe is preparing you for everything, so don't worry. Five of Pentacles. Yeah, again, see, if you had any financial crunch or you had an emotional crunch, universe is blessing you with this. The old cycle has come to an end and a new cycle is beginning, and it's going to be very rewarding. The Seven of Wands. I see that you were in a situation where people were trying to compete with you unnecessarily, like, you know, those times when you're not even competing with people but they just want to compete with you. Yeah, I see people were doing that to you, but you maintained your calm and you were just doing you. There was a lot of confusion because of all of this happening in your life. You felt like, why the fuck is this happening to me? But yeah, you will get to know. Things are unfolding, right? You are manifesting something big and you're putting in a lot of work. It has been very challenging, but things are going to manifest in the most beautiful way. Fool card and the Page of Cups. Wow. Beginning of a new love affair and getting a communication. You are manifesting a communication subconsciously from someone. Someone from your past wants to apologize to you and they want to start fresh. Strength card. And that is because they have seen that you have a lot of strength. Like after they left you, you did not crumble and you have really risen really well in your life. So somebody wants to be in your life. Like when they look at you, they be like, Capricorn is very strong. So yeah, I see that even though you were experiencing so much of confusion, you never really let anybody know that you were going through so much. Lover. Somebody loves you. Do I have to tell this again and again and again? Yeah, there is someone who is in absolute love with you. You have left this person is what I keep getting. Like you have left this person because they were just draining you, but this person now wants to make things right with you. So they want to right the wrong. Two of Wands. Some of you might also be having two options, or maybe you are looking at something else now and this person is looking at you. Like you might not be aware this person wants to communicate, but they want to communicate. You have your back turned to this person, right? The Two of Wands. See, you're not even looking at them. You're just looking on two different things. You have leveled up massively in your life, or you will. You're not even focused on this person. You're focused on your growth, but they want to focus on you. Wheel of Fortune. Some of you, maybe this is a soulmate connection. That's why they keep coming back at you. And maybe this is not the first time that they left and they want to come back. I see this might have happened in the past. So that is why you got tired of their going and coming back into your life. You just want to prioritize yourself. You do not have time for this nonsense. All right. Justice and the Empress. Again, see, universe is doing justice to you because you prioritize yourself. Universe is only going to reward you when you put yourself first. Alright, give me a message for Capricorn, please. Yeah, express your love. See, I told you, right? Somebody wants to express their love to you very soon. Give your relationship a chance. Do I have to say something else? No, right? For this, you just need to free yourself. You are already icy. This person is going to express their love. They want to have a second chance. It's going to be very, very soon. So somebody who you do not want wants you. That's the message. So yeah, that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. It's absolutely free, right? So yeah, subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.